Welcome to another Theme Mountain video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the theme logo. So once you've installed any of our WordPress products, you'll see a page that looks something like this if you haven't imported the demo content already. Now, up in the top left-hand corner, you'll see the theme logo, but obviously with the product name of the product you purchased. So this is just a generic one for illustrative purposes. Now to start modifying it, you can go to Dashboard, Appearance, Customize, or just hit Customize directly from the admin bar. Once you're in Customizer, head over to Header Settings, Header Logo, and here you have the ability to change and upload your own logo. Now I'm just going to briefly talk a little bit about the top header and the body header. The top header is the header that initially loads, so the one that we see here. The body header is the one that appears once you start scrolling. Now this allows us to show one logo for the top header and one for the body header. So to change the logo for the top header, head over to top logo image here and hit select. And then I have two sample images here, so I'm just going to go ahead and select one of them first. So there we go, I have uploaded my own logo for the top header right here. Then if you want to set one for the body header, just scroll on down here and under body logo, switch to different from top logo, and once we do that, we get a second uploader here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the second image, and so this is just a lighter version of the first logo that I have, but essentially this becomes useful if, for example, you want to have a different color logo for the top and body header, or if, for example, you want to show the full logo for the top header, but then just an insignia for the body header. So when I scroll now, we can see that my logo nicely switches from the top logo to the body logo. The next thing I'm going to show you is the width. So we can set the top logo width here, and I'm just going to set this to 180 pixels as an example. And as we can see, the logo image scales proportionally here. So when I scroll down here now, we can see also that the body logo is also 180 in width. Now if we scroll down here, we can see that the body logo width, however, is set to 100 or 120, which is the default. But that's not kicking in yet. And the reason for this is that we have to set a threshold at which the body logo width should kick in. So in order to do that, we head over to Header Settings again, and we go down to Header Appearance. And under Header Appearance, you will find all the different thresholds that govern header background color, header height, header compact, which is basically when it should compact into a smaller header. So the threshold that's linked to the body logo width is the header compact threshold. So I'm just going to scroll down here to body header compact threshold, and I'm going to go ahead and enter a value. I'm going to go ahead and enter 100 pixels, and when we do that, we will see that the body logo width immediately kicks in. So basically what this is saying is that once the user has scrolled 100 pixels, the header becomes compacted and the body logo width kicks in. So we can see here the top logo is 180 pixels in width and the body logo is 100 pixels in width. Now I suggest you try this out and play around with it, but this is essentially how you modify the top logo, the body logo, the logo width, and how you use the threshold to modify the width. And that's all for this tutorial.